Let's also get you all the latest on the politics that's playing out over Lakhimpur. Taking the agitation against the centre and the Yogi government a notch higher, you'll have Priyanka Gandhi again today leading the front for the Congress against the government over the Lakhimpur case. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra will be staging a Maun Vrat or a silent protest today for a number of hours. The demand of the Congress is that Union Minister Ajay Mishra be sacked. She'll be sitting on a 3-hour-long silent protest from 10 this morning all the way up to 1 in the afternoon. Congress has been demanding the sacking of Ajay Mishra as the MO's home after his son was accused of crushing protesting farmers by his car on 3rd October. All office bearers of Congress's Lucknow unit have been asked to gather at the party office by 9 a.m. today to be a part of this agitation. Congress General Secretary K.C. Venugopal has also written a letter to all Congress state presidents to observe the silent protest, to observe this Maun Vrat at the governor's office or at offices of the central government to protest against the Lakhimpur Kheri incident.
इस देश के गृह राज्य मंत्री के बेटे ने अपनी गाड़ी के नीचे, अपनी जीप के नीचे 6 किसानों को निर्ममता से कुचल दिया और सब परिवार 6 के 6 परिवार ये कहते हैं कि हमें पैसे नहीं चाहिए, हमें मुआवजा नहीं चाहिए, हमें न्याय चाहिए। लेकिन हमें न्याय दिलवाने वाला इस सरकार में हमें नहीं दिख रहा है। आपने देखा कि सरकार पूरी तरह से उस मंत्री और उस मंत्री के बेटे के बचत में लगी रही।
Let me take this across now to Samarth Srivastava, who's joining us live from Lucknow. Samarth, good morning. The politics over Lakhimpur continues, and Priyanka Gandhi, who's really been leading from the front for the Congress for the last 1 week in this case, is now all set to hold a silent protest. And we understand that the Congress is going all out to ensure that their message is sent across to the government.
Well, exactly. In a bid to continue providing pressure on the Bharatiya Janata Party, Congress is leaving no stone unturned to do things in a way which can show, which can impulse that Congress is the only party which is leading to the forefront in this entire Lakhimpur incident. And for that, the party has decided to do a Maun Vrat, a vote to silence in an entire nation. And it's not just limited to Uttar Pradesh, because it happened in Lakhimpur of Uttar Pradesh. And in Lucknow, what we are getting, as per sources, Priyanka Gandhi herself could participate in the Maun Vrat, which will be starting from 10 a.m. and will continue till 1 p.m. So it will be a 3-hour-long Maun Vrat, in which in Lucknow part, UP Congress Chief Ajay Kumar Lallu, MLC Deepak Singh and other senior leaders will also participate in the Maun Vrat. And also what we are getting, they may proceed to some government place, some government office, and they can continue their Maun Vrat or dharna outside that particular office. And it's not just happening in UP, it is happening in entire nation. What Priyanka Gandhi told to while addressing the rally yesterday in Varanasi, it was very clear that Congress will fight like a freedom struggle with BJP. So Priyanka Gandhi's intentions are very clear, and the party is also moving towards soft Hindutva. The way she started her speech with a religious saying. So this is very clear for Congress, and Congress now wants every vote. Congress is no single party, as in this particular Lakhimpur incident. What we are getting, Congress has somewhere and somehow overpowered Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party and other small party groups even.
Right.
So this is the reason Congress do not want to lower down the level of protest which is on by the party. Yes.
That's right. They're continuing to keep the fire against the government up. Thanks, Samarth, for the moment, for joining us with those details.